I'm Neelam and you are watching our YouTube channel, The Rise of Hobbes. And I'm here to arise in you the rise of Hobbes. Normally in our society, we have normally heard that I don't know how to start learning English. I'm here to teach you some of the basic steps. How we can start English, as we know that we have been brought up in that environment that is totally of Hindi. Then how we can speak fluent English, because as it is a foreign language. So students, don't hesitate, don't be frustrated, don't feel inferior in the society, because here is the channel which can provide you the guide and the infrastructure and the proper guidance by which you can learn English language. Actually, for learning this language, we need some basic steps. Okay, so don't frustrate students, don't frustrate everyone that how I'm not able to learn English, why it's so. No, this is a very simple thing, but the need is to do hard work. The need is to do some efforts. Okay, some of the basic things which we normally face to face, which we call the consequences we normally face in our daily routine life. And what are these students? Let's see here. How to start learning English. This is the main topic of this video. And normally we heard in our society and in our life, in the routine life, that students who are not very versed in English, they are not able to speak even a single sentence. Okay, sometimes they say to themselves or to anyone who is in front of them, they normally say that I want to learn English. I want to improve my English. I want to communicate well in English. I want to be confident. I want to be a good learner. So, guys, these are the basic questions which normally arise in our mind. That why I am not so capable to learn, to do these such things which the others are doing very well. Okay, I think there is no problem. Just you have to set your mind, because totally it's the game of our mind, that what we want to learn, what we want to do. Okay, so we have to move according to that. Suppose if you want to learn English, आप चाहते हो कि मैं अच्छी इंग्लिश सीखूं, मेरी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव हो जाए और मैं अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर पाऊं लाइक द अदर गाइज. आई वांट टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज दिस इज द लैंग्वेज, इट इज द नीड ऑफ आवर. जरूरत बन गई है हमारी आज कि इंग्लिश तो हमें चाहिए. wherever you are going, you need to face those communicator who will ask you the question in English. And if you will give answer in the Hindi, obviously you will feel very awkward at that time. You will feel inferior and the lack of confidence in yourself. No need student. Don't feel inferior. Don't feel the lack of confidence in yourself. You can boost up your confidence, but the need is the inner motivation, a little bit effort, and the hard work and the continuity, punctuality. These are the basic steps which you need for making your English improved and for communicating well in English with those guys who are just trying to show themselves more superior than you. Okay, so see, but how? This is the normal questions we normally heard in with the other students, with the other guys, and sometimes you ask to yourself that what should I do? How can I learn English? How can I improve my English? How can I communicate like the others? How can I gain my confidence? So the whole circle again and again round around where just the point is English. If you are well versed in English, if you can speak English, then no doubt that you will gain confidence. Then how, student? We have to follow a proper channel. एक प्रॉपर चैनल हमें कुछ भी करने के लिए फॉलो करना पड़ता है. कैसे? प्रॉपर चैनल टू स्टार्ट फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश, वी नीड टू स्टार्ट अ प्रॉपर चैनल, एंड फॉर दोज वी हैव टू फॉलो अ सर्कल और अ सीक्वेंस, एनीथिंग इट मे बी. First of all, there should be a wish in your mind. Look, student, everyone want that I should be very fluent in the English like the others. But the need is that there should be a will inside you. If you have will to do something, no one is there in this world who can stop you. No one. So First of all, you should have a wish in your mind that I have to do these things in my life. If you have taken that wish, if you have a wish in your mind, then convert it into your will. Will means you are ready to take action on it. आप बिल्कुल रेडी हो उस पर एक्शन लेने के लिए, और जब आप एक्शन लेने के लिए, it means you have prepared your will, then make a desire. Desire means convert your ideas in the thoughts. Okay, convert your ideas in the thoughts. Ideas were in your mind, but yeah, when you will give the shape to those ideas, then it will become thought. Okay, after having desire, then okay, we have created desire also, we have created thoughts also, we have converted our will into the desire. But not only desire, we need sincere desire. You have to follow that sincere desire, and then gradually and slowly you have to convert that into the burning desire. Means every time there should be one wish, one will in your mind that I have to learn English, I have to speak in English, I have to thought in English, think in English only, speak, then you will be able to speak, no doubt in it. But the need is to follow the proper channel. First, you have to create a wish inside you. It will be converted into will. Give the shape of will to a shape of desire. Then desire, not only the desire, it's not useful, student. Okay, then make it not only desire but a sincere desire, and very quickly it will be converted. If you have created that desire inside you, then it will become sincere desire, and then a burning desire. Means always there should be just like a flame inside you that I want to learn, I have to improve my English, I have to communicate well words in English. Okay, so these are the things, students, which you need to keep in mind. Then suppose you have converted that sincere desire into the burning desire, then zeal. Zeal means the keen interest. Just try to make yourself interested for learning English. You are the inner motivation for yourself. No one can motivate you rather than yourself. You are the great motivator for yourself. Then you have to create a zeal. आपको अपने अंदर एक लगन, एक जुनून, एक zeal create करनी पड़ेगी. मुझे ये करना है तो करना है. Okay, so this zeal you need to create in yourself. Then be full of enthusiasm. Whenever you start working on it with the full enthusiasm, means you be mentally ready, be physically ready, that I have to do this thing this time. Then willpower. Willpower, it means which will you have created that should convert into the power. You should have a determination inside you कि अब मुझे कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है, मुझे करना है तो करना है. Then determination and energy and efforts. Even students, these are looking like the same thing, these are like the synonyms, but they have a different a little bit minute differences in all these adjectives. So be ready for the mentally, physically, for these determination, willpower and the energy. Then okay, you have prepared yourself very well. आपने बहुत अच्छे से अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर लिया है, आपने डिटर्मिनेशन ले लिया, आपने विल पावर ले ली, सब कुछ ले लिया है. देन व्हाट आर द रिसोर्सेज? फिर रिसोर्सेज क्या होने चाहिए? आपको रिसोर्सेज होने चाहिए, ओनली देन यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पावर. स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट दैट इफ सपोज if we don't have power, means electricity, then can your machine work? No. And if there is no electricity, it seems that we are just wasting our time. हम अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. And if there is the machine, then apply power on it. It means you have the infrastructure. आपके पास infrastructure आ गया, आपके पास power आ गई, then you will rotate the machine. It will apply power on it, then it will start giving you results. And the infrastructure is yourself. Yourself is the infrastructure, because you are applying your power on that turbine, on that power, by which you can get a result. And attentive, I always be attentive every time that, oh, I have to be very attentive because I need to do this work. Then alert mind, only attentive eye. Wherever you will get some of the words which are new for you. Suppose you are watching a movie, suppose you are listening news, suppose you are communicating with any other one, or you are listening, and you get to know about some words, then just try to learn those words, try to learn those sentences, and gradually you will find change in yourself. कि हाँ धीरे धीरे कुछ जो चीजें हैं वो मेरे अंदर आ रही हैं, आ रही हैं, आ रही हैं, और वो आने के बाद आपका क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट, your mind will automatically get alert, and by that alert mind, by that attentive eye, and by that infrastructure you are using, जैसे एक टरबाइन को, एक मशीन को चलाने के लिए पार होती है ना, in the same way we need a guide, we need a guide who can motivate you, who can boost up your confidence, who can give you a proper channel for learning something, because we all are learner students, no one is perfect. This is a language, this is a foreign language, this is a second language in our country, so we have to we need to do efforts for learning it, because automatically we cannot learn it. Automatically we can learn what? We can learn our mother tongue, and mother tongue is Hindi. We have not made any special effort for learning it, because the main thing is the environment. In which environment we have been brought up? There is the environment of Hindi. So automatically we learned. And what is the language then? Language is based on the grammar. And grammar is what? It is set of principles, it is set of rules. Okay, woven together. जो इकट्ठे जुड़े हुए हैं, बहुत सारे rules के principles हैं, principles के examples उसमें दिए गए हैं. तो उससे क्या होता है स्टूडेंट कि उन रूल्स के बेसिस पर हम क्या कर लेते हैं, हम एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. ओके हमने अपना एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया. सो स्टूडेंट इट्स नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट टू बिकम अ गुड लर्नर, जस्ट नीड इज टू डू एफर्ट, नीड इज अ keen desire, a zeal and enthusiasm which you have to create in yourself, and we are here for guiding you, we are here for motivating you. You have to just think about to learn, think about to do something different from the others, and you should think that I have to gain confidence, and the confidence by learning English, by acquiring this language, and then I will be well versed in this society, then I will be a good communicator. Okay, so for becoming a good communicator students, you need to be in touch with us, because this is the video just for motivating you, that no need to feel hesitate, no need to feel frustrated that I don't know English. No, not at all. Just be ready for learning. Just be ready mentally and physically, and use the resources, motivate yourself. I'm just trying to motivate you, but you are the best motivation for you. So with all these things we can start that how can learn English. Okay, and in the next video students, I will tell you that how we should start. So these are the basic things which I described in this video, and in the next video I will give you some of the different kinds of those ways by which easily you can start conversing with the others, you can start conversation with the others. Okay, so stay in touch, stay connected, and just try to motivate yourself. Okay, we will meet in the next video students, and if you like this video, then like it, okay, share it with your other friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Okay, good luck.